Sitting Taret Legadaba Taranito Shuba Manipur Legislative Assembly ki Taret Shuba Session Gasidagi Hokri. Deputy Chief Minister Nemcha Kipgen Yauna Kuki MLA Taret Online Dashboard ki Kutangda Assembly Mi from Serugyakri. Ngasidagi Hokiba Mi from Maduda Kuki MLA Singsu Virtual Motor Serugyana Ba House ki Leader Yumnang Kimchana Speaker Amadi Member Singdagi Ayaba Lauraba Tunda Kuki MLA Sing Mi from Maduda Serugyaki. Mifam Serugyaki MLA Singadudi Deputy Chief Minister Nemcha Kipgen, Chorchampur AC MLA LM Khote, Cycle AC MLA Kimnyo Haukip Hangshing, Tipaimuk AC MLA Ngoshunlang Sanate, Henglep AC MLA Ledzamang Haukip Amadi Saitu AC MLA Haukolet Kipgeni. Mifamadu da Hanagi Prime Minister Manmohan Singh, Manipur ki Hanagi Governor Lal Ganeshan, MLA Vungzangin Valte, MLA N Kaishik Yauna, Miyoi Taramangagi Mafamda, Overture Reference Piduna, Mifam Serugyari Basingna, Minute Anitumin Leptuna, Ikai Kumnabu Utki. Tungda Chief Minister Yumnang Kimchana BSC report Patoki, Loinana Kumja Lisingani Kungamanga, Amasung Kuntaruki, supplementary demand for grant Amadi, Sembachahi Lisingani Kuntaruk Amasung Kuntareki, budget sing house the table Tauki, Loinana, February Gitang Mangada, Governor Nathamkiba, address Kimatangda, House the Kananinaki. Mifam the Makacho Terapo Oina, Haying Ayoki, Pung Tarama Toidigi, Mifam Pangtopa Hogani Hairi.
Maasi kogi XML में लेगी वो तुम दसो कोई बोट काजा उधर बा XML कोई भी मैं हम दोगी एसोसिएशन ये जो वो डायरेक्टर लोग ना सही असेंबली स्टेट स्पीकर को जनेंगे था हम तो ये लागतना मियाँ मिखनबा दो बलुसिंगबा मनी मावास बोला है नाम लोगों सिंह इकोनॉमिज्म एसिडी कागी बनी मार्क्सी ये Maipugi Sangay Badumba politicians in Tamani, Mark Deputy Speaker, Webam Batanatana, Cabinet Minister Soyabirami. Minister of State Tourism, Science and Technology by Biramra, Maipugi, so would I to Pubiram Badumba Lusimani. The Pansuda, he Kaisi, Tatu Bidi Kagiba, Madam Sanga, BJP Yaminadana. Yamna nusiba dungba marupni mana legi dabasi koi thamoi singna noite loina na ma MPP digi karak laga Cabinet Minister TDN Hills Amadi Fishery Paibirami bagi mapan subada Thangulian Kimgen Kampo Pidi Kabi Ibani ma koi tongan ba biba koi Cabinet Minister Wibidana Power, Horticulture, Soil Conservation, Amadi, Hill Career Committee, Siaman, so Birami, Mount Lake Davasi, Manipugi, so Mangzabamani. Subuda, Sri Islam Bolo Singh, Mainam Bolo Singh, Hamavan ACD Kabirambani, Mark Wigi. 8 Manipur Legislative Assembly, that BJP ticket the Kabirambani, Luana, BJP. Bagi state ke president Wiramdra koi koi me ambu adu balamjing bilamba yamba mani Peter Ferry singai ACD kabirambani maksi 1971 da bagi vote karami adu galuna na bagi tangkul nagalongi president wedana asoba dewaki thok torum banpa mani Srimati Aribam Bimula Malsi Founder Secretary Mahila Kalyan Samiti and Manipur State Council of Women Education Supaibi Rami Duga 1967 ki Dugumba Territorial Assembly ki nominated member of the Sulaibi Rami Magna Legi Dabada Levake Soba when peace 2,835 crores and capital receipts at rupees 9,237 crores. Total estimate of the state-owned tax and non-tax receipts are rupees 1,934 crores and rupees 450 crores respectively. Regarding total expenditure an amount of rupees 32,436 crores is proposed. Out of this, revenue expenditure is rupees to 20,767 crores, and capital outlay is estimated at rupees 4,761 crores. Fiscal deficit for RE 2025-26 is estimated at 5.4% of the GSPD and outstanding debt at 40% of the GSPD. Honorable Speaker, sir, let me turn to the budget estimate of the year 2026-27. The total receipt estimated at rupees 32,339 crores. The revenue received estimated at rupees 23,102 crores, and capital received at rupees 9,237 crores. Total estimate of states on tax and non-tax received are rupees 2,437 crores and rupees 450 crores respectively. Honorable Speaker, sir, for the 2026-27B, I am proposing a total expenditure of rupees 30,356 crores. Total revenue expenditure is estimated at rupees 19,807 crores. Capital outlay is estimated at rupees 4,716 crores. Sir, let me sum up highlighting the likely fiscal position during the ensuing year. Fiscal deficit is estimated 2.7% of the